20 genius Vaseline beauty hacks you need to try. Think Vaseline is just for dry skin? Think again. This little jar is a beauty powerhouse with 20 amazing hacks that can transform your beauty routine. From longer lashes to glowing skin, here's how to make the most of Vaseline. First, lip savior dry, chapped lips. Vaseline acts as an instant moisturizer by sealing in hydration and preventing further dryness. For even better results, mix it with a little sugar and gently rub it on your lips to remove dead skin. Wipe it off, and your lips will be soft, smooth, and plump. 2. Eyelash conditioner. Want fuller, healthier lashes? Apply a tiny bit of Vaseline to your lashes before bed. It locks in moisture and prevents breakage, making your lashes appear thicker over time. Just use a clean mascara wand or your fingertip for application. 3. Brow tamer. Messy eyebrows can be hard to manage, but Vaseline can keep them in place all day. Just take a small amount, smooth it over your brows, and brush them into shape for a sleek, polished look. 4. Makeup remover. Running out of makeup remover? Vaseline is gentle enough to break down even waterproof mascara without irritating your skin. Just massage a small amount onto your face, then wipe it off with a soft cloth or cotton pad. 5. Natural highlighter. For a subtle, dewy glow, dab a little Vaseline onto your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and your Cupid's bow. It gives your skin a fresh, radiant finish without needing expensive highlighters. 6. Cuticle care. Dry, cracked cuticles? Gently massage Vaseline into your nail beds every night before bed. It helps keep them soft, preventing painful cracks and making your nails look healthier. 7. Fragrance booster. Want your perfume to last longer? Apply a small amount of Vaseline to your pulse points, wrists, neck, and behind your ears before spritzing on your perfume. It helps lock in the scent and makes it last for hours. 8. Hairstyling hack. Flyaways and frizz can ruin a great hairstyle. A tiny bit of Vaseline smoothed over your hair can help tame stubborn strands without making your hair greasy. Just make sure to use a very small amount. 9. Dry skin fix. If you have rough patches on your elbows, knees, or heels, Vaseline works wonders to soften them. Apply a generous amount before bed and cover with socks or long sleeves to let it work overnight. 10. Exfoliation treatment. For baby soft skin, mix Vaseline with sugar or coffee grounds to create a gentle body scrub. Rub it onto your skin in circular motions, then rinse it off to reveal smooth, glowing skin. 11. Eyeshadow primer. Make your eyeshadow more vibrant and long-lasting by using Vaseline as a primer. Dab a small amount on your eyelids before applying your eyeshadow. It helps the pigment stick better and prevents creasing. 12. DIY lip gloss. Love glossy lips? Mix Vaseline with a bit of your favorite lipstick to create a custom lip gloss. It gives you hydration and a shiny finish all in one. 13. Foot softener cracked heels? Before bed, slather Vaseline onto your feet, put on socks, and wake up with soft, smooth feet. It works by trapping moisture, giving your feet an overnight hydration boost. 14. Hair dye protector. Dyeing your hair at home? Apply Vaseline around your hairline, ears, and neck to prevent stains from hair dye. It acts as a barrier, so the color won't stick to your skin. 15. Shaving alternative. No shaving cream? No problem. Vaseline provides a smooth barrier for your razor, reducing nicks, cuts, and irritation. Just use a thin layer on damp skin for the best results. 16. Earring helper. If your earrings are tough to insert, apply a little Vaseline to the post. It helps them slide in more easily, especially if your piercing is sensitive or slightly irritated. 17. Makeup stain remover. Got foundation or lipstick on your clothes? Rub a little Vaseline onto the stain before washing. It helps break down makeup oils so they wash out more easily. 18. Sunburn relief. If you've been in the sun too long and have a burn, Vaseline can help soothe and hydrate your skin. Apply a thin layer over the affected area to lock in moisture and prevent peeling. 19th, anti-aging trick. Keeping your skin hydrated is key to reducing the appearance of fine lines. Apply a little Vaseline to dry areas before bed to keep your skin soft and moisturized. 20. Minor wound protection. For small cuts, scrapes, and burns, Vaseline can help by sealing in moisture and creating a protective barrier that speeds up healing. Just make sure to apply it to clean skin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty tips. Which Vaseline hack are you trying first? Let me know in the comments.